Hello and welcome to lasa.africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our LSA 10T new shoe. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 20 piece T1 and 40 piece of our E42. Let's assemble now. For each step, we'll be needing 4 E42s, we'll insert into T1. Then we'll be closing off the opposite side with the T1. Once we have a platform like this, we'll be repeating this for another 9 of these platforms. Let's go and continue now. For our next step, we'll be needing 40 piece of our E17s. Let's assemble now. We'll take our base platform and we'll attach. Once we have that, we'll add another platform. We'll continue to repeat this step until we have our last E17s. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts K12 and 2 parts E27. Let's assemble. We'll take our K12, attach to E27 on both sides. We'll be repeating this step for the other side. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our LSA 10T new shoe. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.